Sammie W with Math Help. Today we're going to be working on the following problem. Find the value of y if S is the midpoint of RT. T is the midpoint of RU. RS equals 6x plus 5. ST equals 8x minus 1. And TU equals 11y plus 13. They ask us for y. We're going to use these values of midpoint a couple of times to solve this problem, solve for y. So understanding these basic rules is the key to solving these problems. It looks like a lot here. I started drawing it. I had R here and T here. Then I said, wait a minute. I have S as I have RT. I have S as a midpoint of ST. So I had to bring T from over here. T is the midpoint of RU. TU is equal to this. So I had to work all of this out. But the one thing we need to know is that T is the midpoint of RU, which means each segment, RT and TU, are equal. Same here. S is the midpoint of RT. So RS is equal to ST. So here's the workout for it. I'm pretty sure if you've made it this far, you can probably do all of this. So I'm going to brush through it at a steady pace. And hopefully it's not too fast for you. RS equals ST, we said that. 6x plus 5 equals 8x minus 1. Do the algebra. We find x to equal 3. Plug the 3 in. RS equals 23. ST equals 23. Yeah, so the definition of a midpoint has been satisfied, that these two segments are equal. Now we need to show that RT equals TU because TU is the midpoint of RU. RT equals TU. We're going to substitute in values by the substitution property of a line. RT equals RS. RU. RT equals RS plus ST. RS plus ST equals TU. Because they're both midpoints, the midpoint splits a line in two by definition. So we can substitute by definition. By definition, we can substitute in all these values. I'm saying all this so that we know we're doing this by definition. When you come to prove these, you want to know, you're going to have to state, well, this is a substitution property. This is a property of a midpoint and things like that. So get used to reiterating those points. 23 plus 23 established that here. 46 equals 11y plus 13. We can see by inspection that 11 times 3 is going to give us 33 plus 13, 46, because these need to be equal because they're both equal segments. But when we do the algebra, we show that y equals 3. And so that checks out. You can back substitute these values. So that was a nice little problem, and it checks out. But you might see that I just did that problem by going step by step. The little things that I know. The definition of a midpoint. Substitution. So it doesn't matter. They give you all these x's, these y's, all these big problems. You draw your picture. You get a good idea of what you're looking at. Now you know everything's laid out. Check your values once you get them. Take your time on your algebra. Those are all the things that make a problem like this solvable and go away. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful to you. I'm Sammie W, and I'm always here to help. Thank you very much.